Hi everyone. Get comeuppance. This expression means when someone get their comeuppance, they receive the treatment they deserve, usually punishment or retribution for their action or behavior. For example, you can say, any people found bullying the newcomers will soon get their comeuppance. Hope you find this video useful. Thanks for watching. Hi everyone. To fight tooth and nail. This expression means if you fight tooth and nail for something, you fight with all your energy. For example, you can say, we fought tooth and nail to get the route of the new road changed. Hope you find this video useful. Thanks for watching. Hi everyone. Don't rock the boat. This expression means if you tell someone not to rock the boat, you are asking them not to do that might cause trouble or upset a stable situation. For example, you can say, after recent riots, it was decided not to rock the boat by introducing strict measures. Hope you find this video useful. Follow for more. Thanks for watching. Hi everyone. Come hell or high water. This expression means if you declare that you will do something, come hell or high water, you mean that you will do it in spite of the difficulties involved. For example, you can say, come hell or high water, you have got to be on time for the interview. Hope you find this video useful. Thanks for watching. Hi everyone. Once again in this video with a new idiom. The idiom is catch someone with their pants down. It means if you are caught with your pants down, you are caught doing something bad or forbidden. For example, you can say, we were able to catch the drug smugglers with their pants down, right when they were making the exchange. Hope you find this video useful. If you find this video useful, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Hi everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to ask about price. अगर आपको कहना हो कि शक्कर कितने रुपए प्रति किलोग्राम है, हाउ मच इज शुगर पर किलोग्राम. तेल कितने रुपए प्रति लीटर है, हाउ मच इज ऑयल पर लीटर. केले कितने रुपए प्रति दर्जन है, हाउ मच आर बनानास पर डजन. दूध कितने रुपए प्रति पैकेट है, हाउ मच इज मिल्क पर पैकेट. नारियल कितने रुपए प्रति नग है, हाउ मच इज अ कोकोनट पर पीस. इसका भाव क्या है, व्हाट इज़ द प्राइस ऑफ दिस, यू कैन से दिस आइटम. इन सभी सामान को पैक कर दीजिए. प्लीज़ पैक ऑल दीज आइटम्स. आपके कितने रुपए हो गए, हाउ मच डू आई ओ यू. These all sentences will help you with basic shopping conversation in English. उम्मीद है वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. धन्यवाद.